Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel a hydrogen car. Fueling a hydrogen vehicle is a straightforward and quick process, much like filling a conventional gasoline car. It typically takes only about 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a full tank. This method offers a clean and efficient way to power your vehicle, contributing to a more sustainable driving experience. We'll explore the simple steps involved. The fueling process is designed for ease and safety. First, bring your vehicle to a complete stop, ensure the power is off, and open the fuel filler door. Next, firmly attach the dispenser nozzle to your car's hydrogen receptacle, locking it into place. The station then automatically begins dispensing hydrogen, monitoring the process for optimal fill. Once complete, the nozzle will release, allowing you to disconnect and replace the dust cap. Hydrogen is stored in your vehicle as a highly compressed gas within specialized tanks. Fueling stations typically dispense this hydrogen at a pressure of 700 bar, which is approximately 10,000 pounds per square inch. This high-pressure storage is crucial, as it allows for a substantial amount of fuel to be carried, providing a driving range often exceeding 300 miles. A typical passenger car tank holds about 5 to 6 kilograms of hydrogen. Safety is a top priority in hydrogen fueling. Stations are equipped with advanced leak detection and automatic shutdown systems, ensuring a secure process. The sealed connection prevents any direct contact with the hydrogen during refueling. Beyond safety, hydrogen cars offer significant environmental benefits, emitting only water vapor from the tailpipe. You'll also appreciate the remarkably quiet operation and the convenience of quick refueling, making for a pleasant and eco-friendly driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.